Hi, welcome back to my video. Hi, this is Margaret and thank you for watching this video. If it's your first time here, please press the subscription button and also the like button. And please leave a comment if you like this video. So, and I will read all the comments and I will try to answer your questions. And if you're interested in other videos, please let me know in the comments. So let us start this video. This video is about how to make money online. I will give you some 2, 3 or 4, maybe 6 type of videos with this topic of how to make money online. I said in my earlier videos, as I'm also new at this journey, we are together in this, starting on this journey. I'm currently working. I have a 9-to-5 job, but I intend to leave this job and start full-time in this business. So I am still in the starting blocks of this business. So today I have some 5 new tips for you how to make money online. And some of these tips I have tried it every time when I come here with a video as things that I have tried out and that work for me. However, these things are not going to make you rich. You have to continue with these gigs and see where you will fit in to make a lot of money. This is not an overnight rich scheme. If you want to be rich overnight, then this video is not for you. This is a video that you need to put some effort and some work in to succeed. So there's a bunch of ideas outside in the internet how you can make money, but you must find stuff that works for you so that you can make money for yourself and you can be happy in this thing that you are doing. So if you are good with typing and you're good with assisting and you're doing secretarial work or something, then you can try and apply to be a virtual assistant. A platform that I normally like and use are 2 platforms. One is Fiverr, that you can list yourself as a seller and put your gig out there and people can buy from you if you can be a virtual assistant. It works like that. You can write people's articles, you can write blog posts, you can work on people's social medias. You have a certain price tag that you set there. Maybe you can do that for an hour. Maybe if you are good at the virtual assistant and you can get 4 or 5 gigs for the day. It means an hour gig that you go work for somebody. If I want a virtual assistant maybe to assist me with my business, then I will go there and I say, okay, this person must do this type of a job or a gig for me for an hour. Then I have to pay that person. So yeah, so it will be the money. So if you do that job and you are good at it, or people can ask you permanent to do this thing, then you can make a lot of money being a virtual assistant. And the good thing is you're going to work from home. You're not going to go into an office and sit there the whole day and do work. You can work from home. So that is the first thing that you can do. The second thing that you can do if you are good in writing, and nowadays you don't even have to be very good in writing, but if you can apply for a gig for writing and you can be smart like me, that with the writing, then you can also go into these platforms. You can list yourself as a seller there, that you can do this writing thing, and if you are like me, smart like me, you go you upload your as a seller at Fiverr, and then when you are getting the gigs of doing other people's writing, maybe people are coming to Fiverr and say, oh, I need somebody to write me this article or this blog post of this, whatever they need to write, or write a book or something, then you can go at the same gig at Upworks or Fiverr, and then you can get somebody for you. You can apply for those gigs and you can ask somebody else to do the writing, and then they give it back to you, and then you present it to the seller, and then you get your money and you pay the actual person that is doing that. Or if you can also, if you are like to do extra work, you can research the topic that people want you to write about, and then you can start writing these things. It is so easy nowadays. If you are having a computer and you sit there and you read and you do your research, these things are relatively easy. What I've done for the past month that I'm busy with this thing, trying to transition from my day job to an online job, I did a lot of research and I watched a lot of videos how to get to all these shortcut methods, and I'm trying all these methods. Then my favorite one, it is when you're doing the freelancing work, it means there's a lot of websites that you also can list your gigs, things that you can do. For instance, in my case, I like to do, I'm currently a teacher, so I like to make resources for teaching, for teachers. So I went to a website, Teachable, and the second website that I went to was Teachers by Teachers, where I put my resources that I make normally in my classroom because I'm a teacher, and I sell those things. I'm a freelancer, so I'm selling those things. Or I went there and present myself as a seller, and people want me to make resources for them because I'm good at making resources for teaching. And then I made that, and then I sell the things. So that was a freelancing gig that I did for other people. Another thing that I'm also trying out now, new and relatively new, that I'm busy doing, that I also did, it is I'm a seller on Fiverr. So if somebody wants me to write a blog post for them, what I normally do is I just research this blog post, put it together, and give it to the seller. And there's a once-off gig that I also try, because this is also relatively easy. As I said, I'm a teacher for a long time, so writing is something that I find normally easy. But for people that are not used to these type of skills and reading skills, when I did my research, when I did my postgraduate degree, so there was a lot of research and writing and those type of things when you doing those type of degrees. So I was used to those type, doing the research and writing stuff, writing articles. So that free gig was coming very easy to me. So there is a lot of things that you can do with freelancing. Another thing that I also did with the freelancing was I put on my Facebook. People want to have photos because my husband is a photographer. I have a little bit of knowledge of taking photos, and then I put my price on, and people comment on my messenger, and then but it's most of the people in my area. Then I go out and take these photos. Normally it's baby shower photos people wanted to take, or it's people's 21st photos. It is small little gigs that I do just to keep myself in this freelancing thing. This is a business adventure that I'm also thinking up of to make more money about on that, because this is freelancing is something that you just do this one job, one gig. When you finish, you get paid for it, and you just continue going on with your life. It is not a permanent job, so you can build up a client base and do that things, and then you can also make some money with it. That is what I did. Then another thing that I did that I'm currently busy doing, it is to create my own blog. I'm busy with a blog writing. My blog is called Maggie's Money Basket. It is a blog where I give my personal strategies on finance, where I'm currently in my life and where I want to go with my finance. As I said in the start of this video, I've been working in a permanent job for 30 years. So I'm looking into retirement. I don't want to retire with it monies. I want to retire on a better space. So what I'm doing with my blog, I'm using the same strategies and advice that I did in my life, and going forward into retirement. That I will retire from my day job very soon, but I want to start building my business and into the future, a business that I can build for my children and my grandchildren. I've already worked 30 years in a public school, 30 years for the government. I already worked there, so I'm looking forward to. So in this blog that I started, It is how to make money, and all the it's a personal blog. It's my personal journey with my and personal tips with money. Over the years, I have used a lot of strategies how to make money, how to save money, and getting my hand into investment and all those things. Those are all the things that that will be part of this blog. But if you have any other idea what to blog, maybe when you want to write about something, a passion that you have, something that you want to do, maybe you want to have issues with your weight and you want to document your journey, you can document it in a blog. How did you get from this weight? What is your reason for losing weight? Maybe you have health reasons, or maybe you want to start a fitness blog. What are your reasons? How did you get from this point to this point? How can you help the reader? Because when you're writing those type of blogs, you must keep in mind that you need to solve people's problems. So with my blog, I want to solve people's problems who want to be stuck in the same work for so many years, and then you need to go into a retirement or start a new job, or you think you cannot start a new job because at this age I want to busy with transition in starting a new job, starting a new avenue in my life. I don't foresee myself on going in retirement and doing nothing. I will want to work less when I get this online business starting. But there's some other things that I want to do. So when you are wanting to start a blog, there's a lot of ideas that you have to start to do and start to toil with, that I did, so that you can find the niche that you want and how you can make money with it. So in this blog that I start is my personal blog, it's my personal journey from this point in my life. And my viewers must go together with me. We're going to go be together in this journey. When I get from this point, from this permanent work, I get every month a salary, to a job where I'm going to be an entrepreneur and try this business. If I could succeed 30 years in the one job, in the same work, then I can definitely succeed in this next venture. Because what I've learned in my previous work, it is you must have endurance. You must have some passion. And this is what I do. All that knowledge that I have in that 30 years, I will transfer to the new avenue in my life. That is the one. Then my last type of idea that I do how to make money, it is to start a YouTube channel. This is currently my YouTube channel that I start. Now when you're starting a YouTube channel, you must find out what is your niche. What are the things that you are passionate about? What value can you bring? What content, what value can you bring to your channel? What are there for people to learn? Because I'm here, I'm in this channel and I am a total beginner. I'm starting this journey. And I know there are people that are starting, they want to start the journey, they don't know what to do. Watch this channel and let us build this thing together. If I upload this video, you can upload your own video tomorrow. Start this journey. My niche that I was chosen was how to make money online, because I'm currently busy with it. But if you have a niche where you can maybe you are maybe good in cooking, when you're doing the cooking, just let somebody videorize and do the cooking and edit his videos. I also start to do my own editing. As I said in the beginning of this video, during the video, my husband is a photographer, so he's used to editing. But I'm trying to edit these videos myself because I also want to learn that. I've been a teacher for 30 years. So learning, I've been learning for a very long time. I'm trying new things all the time. So if you have cooking, then you can start a channel on cooking. Do your research and see what people like. Maybe you're a person who like fashion. When you're in this age group, it's a channel that I want to start maybe in the future. It's a lifestyle channel because I'm 53 and I want to bring value to people in this age group. How you can have your own flavor to your age group and what you do in this age group. I mean, I'm not young anymore. I'm going to be 54 in a few months, but you see, there's a lot of flair that must come with this group. Maybe you want to start a health and fitness channel. Maybe you want to do this keto diet or a vegan food that people are eating, or you are a vegetarian. You must just box down your niche and zoom into the thing that you think that you like in a certain niche. Or maybe you like cleaning. People, and you can start a channel on cleaning. People like cleaning because I don't like cleaning, but if I will watch a channel where people give me tips how to clean the house, I might get good in that. Or you can start a channel where you might be like gardening. What you do when you do gardening. One of the channels that I normally watch is DIY channels where people are doing DIY stuff. I like to do it DIY. And maybe I'm thinking about DIY. But what I want to say, what does how to create the channel. Every time that you can think, everything that you can think of, how can I solve this problem? Maybe you're good with hair. If you can show people some tips how to do their hair, how to put the braiding in my hair, that I don't have to go to a professional person to put these things in my hair. If I can have to see how other people do it and show me, maybe I can try it. Or another thing, if maybe maybe you like a makeup. I currently do my own makeup, but if you want a channel and you're good at makeup, or maybe you are a beginner, you can start, all of us can learn together. Then that's also good. Because the things that I've normally learned from channels that I normally like is people who are absolutely beginners. And you take me from that beginner stage to the intermediate stage and to the advanced stage. My personal preference, I did not watch channels that people have on top of. If you are starting here like me, then I normally associate with that person. Okay, we can grow together. Okay, we can see, oh, I can do this because you can also do it. So there's a lot of things that you must do your research on, and things that you must do if you want to start this channel, and how you can start building your business. Another thing that I also that you also can do to make money, if you are maybe a person that can do coaching. You can do coaching. Coaching is something that people pay lots and lots of monies for. But you can start a coaching business. For instance, I would love people to have coaching, just voice training, just coaching me to sing, because that is something that I cannot do. If I can have somebody can have do voice training or something like coaching me how to sing, or maybe just normal dance classes, because dance videos are not for people in my age group. It's mostly the young people. If you can have a video channel just to give people in my age group, like dance groups, dance videos we can have of dance classes, that will also be great. Because most of those videos that I saw is people down and younger than me, on those type of. So there's also a niche that I think people can think about. But in this age group that people are getting, because the internet is a lot of younger people. If I can get people in this group, then I normally watch it videos. Another video that you also can make, it is videos to, when you're getting older, videos to meditate and videos to all those soft music and stuff. There's also channels that I normally watch. At night, I like the smooth, that relaxing type of video channels. So if you can start a channel like that, you will also get a lot of views. So guys, as I said, we are together. I'm a beginner, but I hope in 3 or 4 months I will no longer be a beginner. I will be at least in the intermediate phase with this business. And if you like this channel, please press the like button and also the subscription button. And I will set it at the back this other video that you must watch. So see you next time on my next video. Bye.